Now, when it comes to the leg press, again, like all the other equipment, it's amazing. So you can't take anything out of it and say that it's bullshit, because it's not. One of the ways that I like to do it is actually with a band. So this is just like a big fucking elastic band, but when you wrap around it, it actually puts some extra load on your equipment. Oh. So let me set it up so you know how to do it in your gym. If you have it, you're lucky as fuck. If you don't, well, find another gym or buy your own. When doing a leg press, you can focus on some different parts of your legs. Something that I focus a lot on because I lack on it is actually my hamstring. So the lower you put your feet on this board right here, the more it will hit your quads. The higher you go, the lower and back side of your legs, meaning the hamstring, you'll hit. And if you take it all the way up in the air and only place your heels on the top of here, it will go directly in your glutes. So some different variations, but something that I like to do is set it up like this. Keep my feet close, just in between my shoulder gap, the width of my shoulders. And I like to go on racket and go slowly down. The slower you go, the more you will feel it in your legs, in your muscle. And that counts for everything. So we're going slowly down and up, slowly up. Don't wrap it like you need to do 100 reps in 10 seconds. No, take your time. So, something that you need to realize is if your ass is making a little gap down here, you need to go a little up. Don't take it all the way in. So, right around here, that's the maximum I can do for getting my knees as close to my chest and my shoulders as possible without my ass lifting off of this seat right here. Slow and steady wins the race. That's bodybuilding. If you want to do it fast, well, find your girl or your guy in the bedroom. No, I'm just kidding. There's a saying behind all muscles. Actually, a guy called Tom Platz back in the Arnold days, the 60s, the 70s, told everyone, building muscle is like reading a book. The slower you go, the more you will understand. Just like this. Now, when you reach between 10 till 12 reps, hook it and rest for approximately 1 minute to 90 seconds. 62 to 90 seconds will be good. The heavier you go, the more rest you will need in order to regain almost 100% and push all the way. All right? So this is a variation that you can take into consideration when doing your leg days. When doing this, you can stop it and afterwards take your feet a little lower. Focus on the overall hamstring and quads, and afterwards go all the way low, so you will only focus on your quads. All right, try it out. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, share, give some love. All right, I love you too. I'll see you soon. Don't stare at my ass. I mean it. I'm married.